here for video or what?
Let's put a hand in here, everybody. Let's put a hand in.
Oh, yeah.
You ready? Sweet. Scraposaurus. 1, 2, 3.
Scraposaurus! Yay!
Oh, Harry missed out on this.
What about Harry? Come on, Harry.
Come on.
Oh, I kept feeling like we were
Getting a little on the draw here. Oh, cut myself. Work comp. Get the nurse. Everything. Assumes everything is hard.
Okay.
All right.
Oh. Delete that first.
Here we go.
Very good. So we do another 1, 2, 3 Scraposaurus here?
Yeah, let me,
Nice history.
hold on a minute.
Got a movie mode here.
Do another Scraposaurus. Take a picture of us doing Scraposaurus.
It'll just be a picture though, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold me.
Scraposaurus is,
Another one? Now we got Harry.
All right.
Harry.
Oh, Scraposaurus.
Everybody in there?
Oh, yeah. Ready?
Come on.
Oh, wait.
One,
1, 2, 3.
Scraposaurus! Oh, you feel better? Okay. Can you do one more time?
does somebody want to say what the significance of Scraposaurus is?
Well, that would be
Scraposaurus is a newly... Oh, go ahead. Did you come up with that name too? Polly said it. Oh, I told Polly. Oh, you said it. Okay. I thought we came up with it independently of each other.
And is the significance that you created this?
Well,
This-
newly discovered dinosaurs.
Newly created.
Newly
Yes.
discovered.
Newly
dinosaurs.
discovered. Okay.
Boy, junk
Scraposaurus.
came here.
Okay. 2 days work, and this is what these people did.
This is Scraposaurus, but the species is Floydii.
Okay.
Trying to see it moves. We have moving parts here. Wings.
Yes, I wouldn't want to get caught in that.
You can fly, you can jump.
You can't get your hands caught in this thing. Looks like a farm
And
implement.
her name is Flash.
Okay.
She's a Flash.
This is what you miss out on, people, by not coming to 4C Camp for Adults. Think of the fun.
Whoever would have thought. Pretty soon we'll have real tires. Other moving parts. I figured that one out yet, but I think it's something satellite receiver. Satellite dish.
It was ingenious that he put it on wheels.
Yeah.